Thermocouples. A thermocouple is an electrical device consisting of two dissimilar electrical conductors forming electrical junctions at differing temperatures. A thermocouple produces a temperature-dependent voltage as a result of the thermoelectric effect, and this voltage can be interpreted to measure temperature. Thermocouples are used in many industrial, scientific, power generation, oil or gas, pharmaceutical, biotech, cement, paper and pulp, etc. Thermistors. A thermistor is a type of resistor whose resistance is dependent on temperature, more so than in standard resistors. Thermistors are of two opposite fundamental types. 1. Negative temperature coefficient or NTC type thermistors. Resistance decreases as temperature rises. An NTC is commonly used as a temperature sensor, or in series with a circuit as an inrush current limiter. 2. Positive temperature coefficient or PTC type thermistors. Resistance increases as temperature rises. PTC thermistors are commonly installed in series with a circuit, and used to protect against overcurrent conditions, as resettable fuses. Resistor temperature detectors. Resistance temperature detectors, RTDs, differ from thermistors in that the material used in a thermistor is generally a ceramic or polymer, while RTDs use pure metals. The thermistors are in the form of beads, rods and discs, but RTDs are in different shapes and sizes. The temperature response is also different. RTDs are useful over larger temperature ranges, while thermistors typically achieve a greater precision within a limited temperature range, typically -90 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius. Semiconductor sensors. They are classified into different types like voltage output, current output, digital output, resistance output, silicon and diode temperature sensors. Modern semiconductor temperature sensors offer high accuracy and high linearity over an operating range of about 55 degrees Celsius to plus 150 degrees Celsius. Internal amplifiers can scale the output to convenient values, such as 10 mV per degree Celsius. They are also useful in cold junction compensation circuits for wide temperature range thermocouples. Infrared temperature sensors. Infrared temperature sensors are non-contacting sensors. As an example, if you hold up a typical infrared sensor to the front of your desk without contact, the sensor will tell you the temperature of the desk by virtue of its radiation, probably 68 degrees Fahrenheit at normal room temperature. In a non-contacting measurement of ice water, it will measure slightly under 0 degrees Celsius because of evaporation, which slightly lowers the expected temperature reading. Thermometers. A thermometer is a device that measures temperature or a temperature gradient. A thermometer has two important elements. 1. A temperature sensor, for example the bulb of a mercury in glass thermometer, in which some change occurs with the change in temperature. And 2. Some means of converting this change into a numerical value, for example the visible scale that is marked on a mercury in glass thermometer. Thermometers are widely used in technology and industry to monitor processes, in meteorology, in medicine, and in scientific research.